They weren't paying any attention to you, Jason. Make them remember. This is your home, Jason. Protect it. Don't let them escape. Find them. Make them remember. Look what they did to you, Jason. They can't hide. They deserve to die, Jason. Make them suffer.
Listen to the sound of destruction.
Get up! Wake up! It's time for Friday's games! It's time for Friday's games! That's right! Get up! Wake up! It's time to beat on the body! Huh? It's time to beat on the body! You ain't waiting on nobody! You gotta do it yourself! Get up! Wake up! Friday's games! It's time to beat on the body! It's time to get explosive! It's time to geek up! It's time for coffee! Huh? It's time for the energy drink! Brush your teeth! Get up! Wake up! Get up! Hit the door! Feet on the floor! It's time to get money! Huh? That's right! It's time to go to the body shop!
I know why you go on. I know why you, because you just have the time. Once again, I'll say this a million times here. I do not feel sorry for you. I will not sugarcoat what I'm going to say to you. I don't live.
Come on, guys! Get up! Get up! Get out there and do something! Get up! Wake up! Chest day! Chest day! Y'all thought I was flipping the script. Nicky, don't cut it. Huh? Nicky, don't cut it. Get up! Wake up! It's chest day. Huh? Feet to the ground. Feet to the ground. It's time to move. It's time to go. Chest day. That's right. Say it with your chest, Pete. It's chest day. So get up. Wake up. It's chest day. Huh? Are you with me? Chest day.
They can't hide. They deserve to die, Jason. Make them suffer. They deserve to die. Make them suffer like we